Crews used cranes today in Washington State to remove rail cars from yesterday's deadly Amtrak accident south of Seattle. Authorities say at least 3 people died, dozens were injured when the train plunged off an overpass. Investigators say the train was traveling at more than twice the 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte has more on a safety device that may have prevented this tragedy.
Metra, Amtrak, and freight companies have been in the process of installing positive train control for the past few years. It is technology that can automatically slow or stop a speeding train in case of human error.
So if the engineer is fatigued, if they're distracted or incapacitated, technology can actually detect if there's going to be an imminent collision between 2 trains or if a train is going too fast for conditions.
After years of deadline extensions at the rail industry's request, Congress's requirement to install PTC is at the end of 2018. However, railroad companies can apply for a 2-year extension, which Metra plans to do.
It's not like flipping a switch and everything is PTC. You have to bring in and kind of blend it in one piece at a time.
Metra's chief engineering officer says besides training personnel, the PTC hardware must be installed on the trains and rails. Bruce Marchese says installation in Chicago is the most complicated in the country because it has the most railroads. 13 are being used by Metra, Amtrak, and freight companies.
It's a lot to install, and it's a lot to test, and it's a lot to coordinate to make sure everybody is doing their own job to get everybody to get to the same common goal.
The goal of safety. And while Metra hopes to have PTC up and running on all of its lines by 2019, it will always expect its engineers to operate its trains using the signal system.
But if for some reason that something goes wrong or they don't abide by signal, positive train control will step in and take control.
Metra says positive train control will be brought into service on the Rock Island line first. Installing PTC is expensive. For Metra alone, it costs close to $400 million and will cost another $15 to $20 million a year to maintain. Metra fare increases are helping pay for the technology.